Hello everyone, welcome to smallmodelcar. Today we have got a Porsche 935 and this casting is by Hotwheels. This is from the new series which Hotwheels has launched recently, and it's a Porsche set, and it lies somewhere between the mainline and the premium, so you got some nice details to this. Misses out on some things like rubber tires and metal base, but it's a good I will say good midway between those two. Looks really good. So let's start from the side since we are there. And I absolutely love these wheels. This is something you get on this one, you don't get on mainline. Looks really good. Like the paint job, the blue paint job looks really good. You got the sponsor names on the side. It's a racing car, so you can see the big wing, Porsche written over it. Also got the mirror on the side. Again, a good detail to be added. Let's move to the front now. Since it's a racing car, you'll see a lot of aero. So you can see splitter, you can see vents on the side, scoops, Porsche on the windscreen, and a nice paint job with the number 24. So looks really good from the front too. Moving to the driver's side, again it's almost identical as we saw on the passenger side. The only thing I can see is this opening on the top, which wasn't present on the passenger side. Apart from that, you can see there's a small design element in the rear window. I think it's because it's a racing car. Now let's move to the back. Again, it follows all the aero to the back. You can see the twin exhaust here. I don't see the tail lamp. I'm not sure if it's the one of those LEDs which goes all around. But you can see it's big splitters and everything back there. Spoiler is huge. Also, if you look from the back, you can see the roll cage and braces in there. So overall, I like this casting. The details are good on this one, especially like the wheels, the way they are finished to mimic the original ones. So I think it's a good addition to the collection, and yeah, if you're a Porsche fan, you can get this one. I think you will like it. Well, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching.